What's up, nail friends? In this video I'm going to be doing this pink and black and blue floral kind of fall themed set. So let's get started. To start this set, I have to sculpt them. So I've already removed her old set because they were starting to curve downward and I just like them to come straight out from the sidewalls. So I've applied forms, prepped her natural nail, and now I'm coming in with light elegance fiber, but I thought I was picking up natural fiber, so I was kind of confused on why this wasn't that milky white color, but I realized that and actually changed it for the next finger. So I start at the free edge and I build out my nail using light elegance oval number 4 brush. And I'm making these into an almond shape. I pick up a little bit of the fiber and I placed it on the form, and then I kind of overlap it onto the natural nail after building out my free edge. So I gave that a cure, and then I'm switching to the next finger, and here I'm using the natural fiber, which is what I originally wanted to use. And I just repeat that process of building this out right from the free edge, get it nice and close into those sidewalls, and then create your almond shape. Before removing all the forms, after I've sculpted all these nails, now I'm coming in with Light Elegance Cool Gel and I'm just creating my base layer on the natural nail. So I do one nail at a time and then I have her cure it and I come back and do each finger at a time just so that the gel doesn't go anywhere or move into the cuticle area or anything. This is just my personal preference. After I apply my base layer, I actually come in with a 180 grit hand file, and I like to shape the nails now before building them. I just find, for me personally, this is just always what I like to do. Even if I'm just applying clear next, it just gives it a nicer look and less finish filing in the end. After shaping all the nails, I made sure to remove the dust, and now we can come in and build these nails up. So I'm using Light Elegance Cool Gel, and I'm just applying my slip layer first. So this layer you put down before your builder bead, and this will help your builder bead go where it needs to go because gel is attracted to gel. So here I'm just scooping in that cool gel, trying to pick up a decent sized bead, and I'm going to apply this near the cuticle area to start. And then you're just going to want to maneuver this down the nail, going from right to left and left to right, but slowly going down the nail, and that'll help the builder bead go all the way down the nail and build this nail up. Once I get down to the very tip, I take a look at my side and then I try to play with the bead a little bit with the very tip of my brush to create my apex. So then I have her take her finger and lift it upside down for just a couple seconds to help the bead self-level right in the center, and then she'll give that a cure, and then I work on the second hand. So I do one finger at a time. So here she just has a little dip in her nail, so I'm just applying a little bit more gel right at the tip, And then I'm pulling it up to the gel that's near the cuticle area and trying to create my apex with an even surface from cuticle to tip. So it's really easy to maneuver this gel, as you can see right there. And then to help that self-level, she can flip her hand upside down. So then I just repeat this process until all 10 nails are done. After building all the nails up, now I'm just coming in to cleanse all the nails. And then now I'm going to finish file these. So here I'm just taking a 180 grit hand file and I'm just coming in and fixing up the shape to start. So here I'm just coming in with a medium comb bit in a medium grit, and I'm just using this around the cuticle area to get it nice and flush. So then I'm finished filing with a 180 grit hand file, and I'm just refining my shape and going around the cuticle and just going over top of the surface to try and make sure it's nice and even. So after finish filing, I cleansed and removed all the dust, and now I'm coming in to do the design. So this is the pattern that I was inspired by. So I designed this whole set around this pattern. So here I'm doing Ugly Duckling number 43. So this is just a plain black gel polish, and I'm just doing one thin coat to start on her ring finger, her middle finger, and her thumb. For the pink nails, I'm using the super gorgeous light pink from Jellyfit Australia. This is SS250, and I'm just applying thin coats to start on her pinky and her pointer finger. So I've cured the first coat, and now I'm just coming in to build up that color on the second coat of all the nails. So first I'm doing the black ones, and then I'll do the pink ones and give that a full cure, and we can move on to the stamping. After that's been cured, you're going to want to remove any tacky layer that's on the black nails before going into the stamp. So the stamping plate I'm using here is called Watercolor Garden, and I thought it would be absolutely perfect for the set. The first color I'm coming in with is number 36 from Clear Jelly Stamper, and I'm just doing it on these leaves, and then I'm overlapping the leaves with number 32 just to give the leaves some dimension on these. And I really love these plates because they are layered, so you get to kind of layer your colors, and then you can create a way cooler look, you know? So here I'm just showing you guys a kind of sped up version of me completing the same steps on those other two black nails and just doing the blue leaves first. So I'm using number 68 first. So this is kind of a medium kind of nude pink color. And then I'm coming in with number 36 again, overlapping that full floral plate piece. And then I'm coming in with number 67 to add the last finishing touches. So this one's almost white, kind of nude, like super light pink. So here I'm just comparing the design with the design I was inspired by. And I think it turned out pretty similar. So I really like this idea. I really like this plate. This really does remind me of watercolor flowers. So I'm just repeating that process until I've got all the nails done the way I want. And then I'm coming in with Ugly Duckling Stick It, my favorite glue to put gems on. And they last the whole time, so it's great. So I'm coming in with like a dark blue to tie the blue into the pink and just crystal clear. So I wanted those floral nails to be matte. So I'm applying Ugly Duckling matte top coat on the black nails, and then I'm going to keep the pink nails nice and shiny. So I'm coming in with Kira Sky no wipe top coat onto the pink nails. And make sure to not get any top coat on your crystals or you will dull the shine. So give that a full cure. And then here I'm just coming in and I'm cleansing those matte nails and trying to remove any polish that I got on the skin. So here is a side shot of that thumb, and I hope you guys like this gel design. And if you recreate it, please tag me so I can see, because I love seeing your recreations. So you guys can actually recreate this since it's just gel polish on top of any enhancements, so dip system, acrylic, natural nails, or gel like I did. So I hope you guys like this video, and check back. I have a bunch of tutorials filmed. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up when you like my videos. It really helps my channel grow. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.